everyone. Today we're gonna be playing for Warships with HMS Hawkins. So let's go on to it. It's another British cruiser. So yeah. Yeah, and because I have torpedoes, I have to go to the front lines again. Same way I died with Hawkins. Sucks.
Awaiting orders. Let's get to it.
Good luck and fair seas.
Enemy force detected.
Okay, what's the enemy force? What's the enemy force? Where is it?
Enemy destroyer detected. Enemy cruiser detected. Enemy destroyer detected.
Can we hit anything? Oh, I can hit that.
Enemy battleship spotted.
Ooh. Shot me. Who's shooting? Oh.
Enemy cruiser spotted.
Torpedoes dead ahead.
Where? Oh.
Torpedoes to port.
No.
Victory is in sight. Our team has taken the lead.
Fire.
Now use the fire so useful. No range. 4. 7. No problem.
Problem solved, sir. Fire.
And Omaha's gonna be kind of heavily armored, right? The Omaha? I'm on ahead. It's weak armor, right? No, weak armor. Alright, I'm chilling. Can you stop being fires on my ship? What are you doing? Stop shooting at me. Uh-oh. Quick round there. Oh, that's classic. Come here. Oh my god. I found it. Oh my god, can y'all stop shooting at me for like 1 second?
Fire.
What is happening? I'm about to die. I'm out of here. Faster.
Problem solved, sir.
No. Yes, miss. Oh my god, it's close. I'm gonna kill you. stop raining shells. Need to be repaired. Finally, a battleship.
Critically damaged.
Yes. Alright, well, the battleship's full by him.
Problem solved.
I'm gonna
sir.
do. I'm basically get myself up. Well, I'm not the main character. Alright, I'm gonna go try and, because the battleship has the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. It has shot. I think it to me only once. Even the cruiser's about air. What's the battleship doing about the cruiser? Fucking cooked. They're doing long range. The battleship got that busy. Battleship ain't sinking to a cruiser. It's about dying there. Uh-oh.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
You see that aim? It's done that like the whole time. Why am I going sideways? Not be stupid. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh, I didn't see this. I'm not gonna make it. My guns are not powerful to penetrate it, and like to penetrate, I have to go and like hit the what's it called? Let me spot. Uh-oh. Battleship prepare accuracy for real. Oh, I'm like, I should take this battleship. Please start fire. That battleship has amazing accuracy. I don't know how it does. At least I started fire. Hold on a second. Get this idiot. Uh-oh. Soft playing idiot. I think I'll leave. You know? Their battery's been better aiming at. Uh-oh. Where's our battleship? I guess it's sunk already? Okay. Two battleship. Forget it. It was literally just saving its aim for like this very last second. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you watch my next one. Goodbye.